Hey guys, I'm going to be making some smoked meat sauce on my Yoder Smoker YS640S. Let's get to it. Welcome to Impossibly Kosher, where I show you how to make incredible and delicious meals while using the best tools that I've tested out myself personally. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to smoke a meat sauce, like a bolognese sauce, on a Yoder Smoker YS640S. Smoking a meat sauce might sound unusual, but it's a technique that infuses a rich, smoky flavor into the sauce, elevating its taste to a completely new level. And with a Yoder Smoker YS640S, we can achieve the perfect balance of heat and smoke, resulting in a sauce that is both complex and delicious. Before we get started on our pellet cooker, it's important to clean it out before you start any new cook. This ensures that there's no leftover ash that could negatively impact the smoke flavor that's going to be infused into the smoked meat sauce. And once that's done, we'll reassemble the smoker by adding the ash box back in, the damper, and the grates. And now, we're ready for cooking. So, we pour in some pellets into the pellet hopper. I'm using a 50-50 blend between cherry woods and charwood. Charwood pellets are made from a charred hardwood and give a unique flavor to the meat, similar to that of charcoal cooking. Next, we're going to be turning our smoker onto 250 degrees Fahrenheit. The smoker is now up and running, and you can start to see those pellets being fed with the auger. To learn more about the Yoder Smokers YS640S, I made a whole video. Here it is. The unboxing, seasoning, setup, burn-in, everything. Go check it out. And I'll leave a link for it in the description section as well. Once the pellets are in the ash box, about a minute goes by and the YS640S is going to automatically start to light those pellets with the ceramic igniter. I like to keep it open until I see the fire, but at least until smoke. Safety precaution. Now we add the hood back onto the damper, get our grill grates back on, close the hood, and let the cooker come up to temp. While we're waiting for the smoker to heat up, we're going to go ahead and prepare the meat sauce. But before we do, if you like this video so far, give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section. So, we begin by heating up a cast iron skillet. We get it on a high heat, add in some oil, and when you start to see that there's a little bit of smoke and it's nice and hot, add in your minced meat. A bit of salt, that will right away start to extract any moisture into the skillet. You're going to keep frying up that meat, stirring it regularly until that raw red color disappears completely and you got that nice cooked grayish look. Then you're going to leave it for another 2 minutes or 3 minutes on a medium heat just so that that liquid can start to reduce a bit. And next, you'll add in your pre-made tomato sauce. I usually like to make big batches of tomato sauce. When I say big, I mean really big. Like 50 tomatoes, 60 tomatoes, 5 to 10 cans of the full tomatoes with passata. I let it cook for hours and hours and hours with a sofrito, which is basically just an onion, carrots, celery. If you want, you can add some garlic in there. And I leave it for 3, 4, 5 hours even. If I have extra time, I can leave it up to 8 hours, just adding in water. I freeze them in individual portions, and when ready, I bring them out just like today, and I use them up. The smoker has come up to temp. Now I'm just going to let it boil for 1 to 2 minutes on a medium heat, and once the sauce has been cooking for about 10 minutes, time to transfer the skillet onto the Yoder. And that's where the magic happens. Open up that big heavy hood. Now you're going to notice there's quite a few different meals going on in this cooker. Subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be showing you each one of them very soon. I put the meat sauce right under a whole chicken that I was cooking, which allowed the juices of that chicken to drip down with renderings, which will give it a really nice flavor. We'll close the hood and we're gonna let that sauce go for at least 45 minutes, stirring every 10 minutes so that the smoke that's been hit on that top layer mixes in, and now new smoke can be hit on the new top layer. Now we're all done. It's time for a taste. All right, let's give the sauce a quick taste. Very mild, smoky taste. I think I'm gonna go put it back in as soon as the temperatures come down. I might put a smoke tube too, but I don't wanna overpower it, so I'm just gonna leave it maybe at 200 or even 175, just so that it can have an infusion of smokiness. But other than that, really good, really, really good. And there you have it, a delicious smoked meat sauce made on the Yoder Smokers YS640S. Honestly, it'll be the perfect complement to any pasta dish. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.